Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, end of the week, May 13th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades called in the room, 3 in the ES, 1 in gold, and 2 in crude oil. Wrapping up our week here. First trade we had in the crude was a long understanding trade at 46.25. I told everybody that should be good for 10 to 15 pennies. That's exactly what happened. It actually went up 18 pennies, and that was the end. It was a nice little winner there. Market came back down. We had a power play. Now in this power play, I felt we were a little stretched to the downside, the market was down at this point almost 90 pennies. Told everybody to take 7 to 10 pennies on the power play. If you wanted to hold for more, that's fine. But once it bounced around there, came back down, I just said, look, just get out at break even on your runner, make what you made on your first batch of contracts, some people let it go, had a break even on their runners. Some people just got out of the trade there. But it made 7 to 10 pennies, which is what I was expecting. And that short was at 45.87 on the 9:30 candle. In gold, we had a nice little trade. We had an understanding trade short in gold at 12.66. 12.66 on the 9:06 candle. And that was a short that worked up for almost 20 ticks. Okay, and in the ES, we had a long understanding trade at 8.75. 8.75 was the long at 8:36 Central Standard Time, and I told everybody that was probably going to go up to the 62 area. It did go a little bit further. Once it went a little bit further, we added around 61.75, 62 for another push up for people who wanted to add. But the trade produced from 8.75, 175, 175, 275, about 4 points. Then we had a short at 56.75, and that one went down to my 350 target. That was a three-point winner there. Again, that line was there the whole time. And then when the market came up, we thought about getting short down here, or long down here, but we waited for a little more confirmation. I originally got everybody in at 8.75 here. You'll see here on this little wick here. We got in at 8.75, candle closed, came right back up, never were under any heat or duress. But, we had already had a bunch of trades. It was getting a little late in the morning. I said, look, you can stay in if you want, otherwise just get out. Make a tick and wait for 60 quarter, get long at 61 or 60 after 60 quarter printed, and market should go up to around at least minimum of 62, and that's exactly what we did. Some people stayed in, made an extra point. Otherwise it was 2 points for most, 3 points for some, and then we just closed the room here. Market came back down. We thought about getting short here, but there was just we were almost out of time. It was almost 11 o'clock here. So great day in the room, 6 trades, no losers, and we're going to come back tomorrow or on Monday, and we're going to do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a wonderful day and a great weekend. See you next week.